Bro, guys, look at this. Look at. We're at Buffalo Bills, and look at this. Hold on, let me take you guys on the train. Let's start off right here. Bro, this looks so cool. Look at it. Seems like they're turning some guy in. And if you come up here, here's one of the ships. I think this guy's one of the good guys. Something like that. But this is so cool, bro. Look at Darth Vader. Darth Vader's over there. I'm playing. Alright, over here, this is where the starship is. Super cool. And then right here, look at this. Bro, this thing's so cool. And then here we got some Darth Vader mask. Okay. And then look at, bro, that's just like so cool. Alright, let's go to the next station. And over here we have two other ships. And then if we look over here, it's like another place. And next up here, look at that being back in there. Look at all this, bro. This is so nice. And also the light changes colors. Bro, look at how nice and detailed this is. Look at, there's some hamburgers. And then over here we got some stuff to attack them. And if we look over there, there's something. Next up is the train. Look at how nice this thing is. This thing looks so cool. Just imagine me coming in here and showing this all, bro, I would literally go insane. And then over here, we have this humongous thing, bro. And then, is it an AT-AT? An AT-AT over here? And then, we have this humongous blaster, like this humongous fight. How big this fight is, bro, it's never ending. Oh, what's that over there, guys? What's that? Generator? Look at one of them is caught over there. I think they were trying to fight to get to the Jedis, which is kind of like how it should be. But this is so cool. Look at, this is just like Buffalo Bills, what they do. Look over here. It's like a tree biome or something, and then we got some ships and stuff like that. And a little head. And then over here, oh, we have another head. And then over here. Look at this. Look at pictures of this storm. Look at lights are everywhere. And then over here, we have a whole bunch of war and stuff like that. Look at this. Who's over there? Wow, that's so nice. Over here we have another ship. And then next up over here, we have this beautiful thing. We're gonna fight here. Here's the AT that's destroyed. Here, see this. Look at this. There's a whole bunch of people fighting over here. Coming over. Gonna fight, maybe. And then over here. Some shit. And then look at this. What is happening? Look at that. Look at over here. It's not Star Wars, but it's nice. Guys,